What's going on? YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I've got, as you can tell by the thumbnail, I'm sure it's very dramatic, a really special box to open up here. This box was sent to me by my good buddy Jeff Goodenow. Most of you are going to be familiar with that name. Jeff has provided me with some incredible knives to show on this channel. So Jeff, thank you so much for doing that. I am really excited to get into this box. Real quick, if you've got the itch and you're looking for really cool budget knives like the Ontario Rat 2, the Civivi Praxis, or the Bestech Paladin, or maybe you're looking for something more like an assisted Kershaw. Maybe you've never tried one of those. Maybe you're looking for something a little bit higher end like a Spyderco PM2, or perhaps even one of my personal favorites, the Spyderco Shaman. Maybe you're not looking for knives at all. Maybe you're looking for maintenance stuff like this WIA bit selector or my WIA magnetic driver. The point is down in my description, I have all of this stuff sorted out for you guys. So whatever your itch is, I've got it down there. Be sure to check. It's updated often. It's set up for your convenience so that it's easy to browse your favorite makers, check if there's anything new, etc. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this box. I'm sure you guys are wondering, how many times did you have to do that before you got it to go smooth? The answer is 4. Metal Complex had to do that 4 times before he stopped stuttering around his words or accidentally dropped something. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, moment of truth. We're getting into this here. We have coupons. No, I'm kidding. Let's get this out of here. Okay. That's very heavy and obviously very special. That is a Pelican case. And then we have more paper. So, Jeff, I know I'm supposed to remember what is in here, but I don't. Oh. I remember now. I mean, everybody's like, oh, there's a sticker on there that tells us exactly what's in there. I don't know which one I want to order. Hang on. I am so excited right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, hang on. Let's open up this guy first. What is in here? Oh, wait. This is the Jason Clark. Okay, now wait a sec. Now it's all coming back to me. I'm sure Jeff is like, oh my gosh, you are so dumb. We just talked about this. Which do I want to open up first? Let's do the Jason Clark. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys, the Jason Clark is crazier. But, oh my gosh. What is happening with my life right now? What universe am I in? Here we go. Oh, God. I'm lost for words. I am lost for words right now. Look at this. This is unbelievable. Oh my gosh, here, sorry. I'm trying to look at it in my light. Let me clean off this Timascus. Oh my gosh, Jeff, please don't ever get rid of this one. Look at the bolster on this guy. Oh my goodness. Then we come down here to, is this carbon fiber? What is this? It looks like layered carbon fiber. I don't know. Obviously a titanium frame. Look at that. Look at the checkered pattern there on the flipper tab. Obviously some Damasteel, I believe, is what we're looking at here. Some absolutely beautiful Damasteel. One of the most aggressive blade shapes I have ever seen. So this is a Jason Clark mini Spanish tip razor, I believe is what they call that. You can see there it is ladder Damascus HRC 60 stoned tie, black Timascus is what they call it, or BLK Timascus. I'm not sure how they FST carbon fiber. I'm not sure if I'm reading that correctly, but there you go. Wonderful. Holy moly, that is some ridiculous cutlery there. Wow, even a choil. Unbelievable. Okay. I'm going to very carefully clean this back off, get my nasty fingerprints off of it, and we're just going to lay that guy back down right there while we get into the next one here. So, obviously, I've never handled anything like this. You know, I've been a fan of Jason Clark for a while. I'm not familiar with all of his models, and that was just a crazy one. I wasn't expecting it to be like that. But this is a knife that I have been lusting after for myself for a very long time, and I am very excited to get my hands on it just to experience it. This is something I very much want to experience. Ooh, I'm dying. I'm dying of happiness right now. Oh boy, let's get in here. Come here, little buddy. Oh. So, for those of you who are unfamiliar, look at that texturing. I know you guys who know me and you know what I like, you're like, his brain is melting right now for that textured titanium. So, this is a Grimsmo Norseman, and it looks by the pivot, from what I know. Oh, great. I forgot to put my phone in airplane mode, so I'm sure it's buzzing. From what I know about their different generations, I believe this is one of the newer generations. Let's go ahead and flip it. Yep, it is insane. So this is, want to experience the legendary. Yeah, it's completely fall shut, which is so weird. It feels physically impossible considering how thin and light that blade feels, but at the same time, the blade feels extremely heavy. Guys, take a look at that. I don't even know exactly what to call that. It's some sort of, it's like if a hippopotamus and a hatchet got together and decided to make a baby that was also a knife. That's what I think. Now, a lot of people are like, great, now that you said that, I'm never going to be able to get that out of my head. I don't mean that in a bad way. I just mean the blade shape is so unique and different, you know, and I've watched so many videos on these. It's every bit as good as I wanted it to be, and it actually feels a little bit better, honestly. Good Lord. Let's try the thumb stud. Yep. Unbelievable. Oh, so wonderful. You guys, one more flip there. So that was a seriously epic unboxing, guys. I cannot wait to play with these. I can't wait to just sit around and flip them. I am so pumped about that. Jeff, thank you so much for sending these to you. This is one of my favorite unboxings that I've ever done. It's just a lot of, you know, emotions all at once and a lot of excitement all at once. Very, very cool. That's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Like I said, links in the description. Don't forget to check that stuff out. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more content coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.